read out the names of prize winners among the graduates to this August assembly.
President of India Prize for the highest CGPA in BTech and dual degree. Bharat Ratna M. Vishwesvaraya Memorial Prize for the highest CGPA in BTech. Siemens Prize to the BTech student with the highest CGPA in electrical engineering. All three awards are won by Rajat Vadiraj Dwarakanath.
In every convocation since 1964, everyone has looked forward eagerly to the award of the President of India Gold Medal. It would indeed be very disappointing if the awardee is not present here with us for the first time. Rajat informed me that he would try to be here in person. What a pleasant surprise, Rajat. You've gone to extraordinary lengths to be with us here today. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming here to receive your medals. Fantastic, Rajat. This was a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Would you now like to share your thoughts with your class of 2020?
Thank you for the awards, Professor Bhaskar. This achievement would not have been possible without the support of numerous people who I am grateful to. My professors who taught me courses and guided me through multiple projects. My wonderful friends who made the past 4 years an amazing time to spend. I'll definitely cherish the memories that we made forever. I would also like to thank my family for their unending support, and especially my brother for his continued guidance as well. Although we could unfortunately not have a complete in-person convocation as a fulfilling conclusion to the past 4 years due to the current circumstances, I still sincerely appreciate the efforts of the director and the production team for making this unique online convocation possible. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajat, for the wonderful speech and for appearing in person to receive your medals. Thank you very much.
Sri V. Srinivasan Memorial Prize for the highest CGPA in dual degree and Philips India Prize for the highest CGPA in dual degree electrical engineering. Both were won by Alfred Festus Davidson. Dr. Shankar Dayal Sarma Prize for the best all-round proficiency in curricular and extracurricular activities in BTech goes to Aravind Pujari, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering. Governor's Prize for the best all-round proficiency in curricular and extracurricular activities in dual degree is won by Hari Ramachandran, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering.
We miss Alfred Davidson and Arvind Pujari, who are not able to be with us here today from their locations abroad. But we are fortunate that Hari is able to join us here today to receive his medal. Thank you, Hari. It was wonderful of you to be able to come here today to receive your medal in person. That was wonderful, Hari, was it not? Will you please now address the class of 2020 and share your thoughts with them?
I'm honored and deeply humbled to receive this award from our director today, and I'm extremely thankful to the Institute for the staff around me. My parents and my grandparents have had unwavering faith in me, and their constant support is something that I'm eternally grateful for. My little brother motivates me daily and serves as a source of inspiration and pushes me to be better than I am. I'd like to thank the professors that I've worked with and learned from. They've been invaluable mentors and have shown me the meaning of the word professional, and they've opened my eyes to opportunities. And finally, I'd like to thank my friends for keeping me grounded and for giving me the memories that I cherish. When I think of graduating, a word that keeps coming into my head is the word last. There were so many lasts that we all had. There were some that we were prepared for, like our last writer game. There were some that we were not prepared for, like the last time we visited a friend's room in the hostel. And there are some that we're quite frankly grateful for, like the last time we had to evade monkeys on the way to have a shower. The circumstances under which we left the institute means that we didn't know that many of these lasts were indeed lasts. And while that feels extremely unfair, I am deeply appreciative of the time that I got to spend in this campus. September 24th, which passed by recently, marks the 527th anniversary of Christopher Columbus setting out to discover the sea route to India. And as we embark on our quests, I think it's important to remember how we got here. We came into IIT as a fairly homogeneous bunch. We were selected simply because we could think quickly, we could think clearly, and we could handle pressure very well. And over the past 4 or 5 years, this campus has allowed us to blossom into unique individuals. People have found causes to support, people have found motivators to drive them, people have found grand challenges to overcome, and most importantly, people have found other people to cherish. And it is for the people that I met that I'm the most grateful for my time in IIT. Now, much like Columbus, I too may not end up going where I think I am, but I'd like to thank all of you for being a part of my journey nonetheless. This is MM15B040 signing out.
Thank you, Hari, for those wonderful words and for coming and receiving your medal in person.
Bhagyalakshmi and Krishna